We had another fire break out in Ouachita County today. This one was just outside the city limits of Bearden. The fire was discovered when two teenagers went to check on their horses. Bearden, Fire District 1, and East Camden all responded to the call. When firefighters arrived, there were several cars on fire, along with several structures on the property. In addition, many areas of the woods were also burning. Firefighters worked to put out as many of the fires as they could, and to keep the fire contained to the area. Forestry was also called in to dig plow lines around the property in order to create an additional fire line for the area. The fire spread to encompass an area of around 3 to 4 acres. And firefighters had to act quickly in order to keep the fire from spreading to the neighboring houses. The fire got very close to this house. The fire was able to move fairly quickly through the woods, cutting paths along the dried leaf, in much the same way as water runs into a stream. There was no way for firefighters to get to every spot of burning leaves in the wooded area. There are no fire hydrants in the neighborhood where this fire occurred, and firefighters had to bring all of the water they used to fight the fire with them on trucks. This is common for many parts of Ouachita County, and these firefighters are used to having to work with trucks instead of hydrants. But working with limited water means that they cannot put out every spot of fire when these situations occur. So they do what they can to minimize the risks. This means, however, that sometimes they have to leave areas still smoldering and small fires still burning. The goal being to keep the fires inside the line and protect any nearby homes or structures. The cars, which were already engulfed in flames when firefighters arrived, were left to burn out on their own. So they sat, burning. There was nothing left for firefighters to try to save. This tree, however, was a danger, and they were unable to clear the scene because of it. But the horses are okay.